So I don't know where the fan is. So this is where the water is coming from. So see, this is the blockage, and the water is flowing through here, touching here on this radiator kind. Oh, where is the fan? How can I get to the fan? I'm going to put this side a little bit. I'm going to open this one. I'm not sure if I can open it. Oh. So here is the whole thing. Okay, let me open this. What is there? We can see. Is the error? I replaced it with the new one, but the error was fan failing. So I want to see. I'm just curious little bit. Okay, I can't open it this. Only two screws, but still it's like a completely. So there is a several screws. So right there. And then I'm going to open all. Just want to see. I'm not fixing this. I'm just curious. Actually, I didn't see the fan, and the big under this is just water this one. Okay, so yeah, there is, well, there is more to open. So one is a hot, one is a cold. I think this is cold, this is hot. That coming here, getting cold, going that way. I'm going to open this one too. Okay, right here the fan is. Nice. Well, I don't know what kind of water is there. It's gooey. Okay. See, there is a fan. This going on this housing. On top of this housing going here, and on top of that, that one and that one. And that is in the cooler master.